ZOK Gas Turbine Compressor cleaning fluids successfully clean and inhibit hundreds of gas turbines, operating globally in the oil and gas, industrial, maritime and aviation sectors. High-performing gas turbine function is a result of smoothly interrelating gas path components, which include compressor, compressor turbine and power turbine. Turbines operating in harsh environments are exposed to airborne contaminants, including dirt, oil, soot, and salt deposits. The accumulation of these contaminants reduces airflow, which erodes engine performance. These airborne particles cause fouling to the compressor aerofoils and annulus. Fouling reduces the aerodynamic efficiency of the compressor blades, resulting in a deterioration in engine performance. The particles of smoke, dust, hydrocarbons, oil mist and sodium build up in layers. A build-up of contamination results in the roughening of the compressor blade surfaces, causing an increase in the airflow boundary layer. This reduces compressor efficiency, resulting in a decay in compressor performance and increased fuel consumption and turbine inlet temperature. Water-soluble contaminants can be removed by cleaning with water alone, but leaves many water-insoluble and hydrocarbon deposits behind. The constituent component of ZOK cleaners are their unique surfactants. These ZOK surfactants lower the surface tension of the solution, enabling it to wet, penetrate and disperse the deposits. The surfactant molecule, or mycel, comprises of an oil-loving tail and a water-loving head. During the wash cycle, the mycel molecules meet the contamination, surround it and insert their oil-loving tails. The mycel molecules lift and hold the contamination in suspension. The contamination remains in suspension until the molecules are rinsed out of the engine. In cases where compressor fouling is extremely heavy, it may be necessary to carry out additional ZOK wash and rinse cycles to penetrate the contaminated layers. Successful cleaning with ZOK cleaners yields measurable engine improvements in compressor discharge pressure, specific fuel consumption, turbine inlet temperature, and power output. Washing with ZOK improves gas turbine efficiency and reduces through-life costs, extending the time between major overhauls, increasing the performance, availability, and reliability of any compressor.